Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a tool that attempts to crack Wi-Fi passwords using brute force techniques. So, what exactly is this tool? This is a batch script designed to test multiple passwords against a Wi-Fi network until it finds the correct one. Sounds simple, but it's all about the algorithm and efficiency. Before we jump in, a quick disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Using brute force tools on networks you don't own is illegal and violates ethical standards. Always ensure you have permission to test a Wi-Fi network. Let's get started. First, download the Batch Wi-Fi Brute Forcer. All the links are in description. Once you have it, extract the files. And run the batch script. The script uses a predefined list of passwords. You can use custom word list for Wi-Fi passwords. Click on the script. Now you need to scan the Wi-Fi networks. Next, you need to select target network. Press enter. Now it's start brute force attack using the word list. Boom! Just like that, the Wi-Fi password is retrieved. But remember, this is a controlled environment for demonstration purposes only. This brings up an important point: the ethical use of hacking tools. While tools like this demonstrate the vulnerabilities of weak passwords, the goal should always be to improve security, not exploit it. Use this knowledge responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Have any questions or topics you want me to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay ethical.